Hello everyone! Good morning po! Welcome to my channel! Hello, hello, hello! Good morning! So for today's video, a day in my life vlog po ang nangyayari ngayon sa atin. First and foremost, kumusta po kayo? Sana po lahat po ng nanonood sa akin ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Okay, kung may problema man po is always think about to stay strong and wala naman pong problema na walang solusyon. So yes, ang nakikita niyo po ngayon ay ang aking mga collection of succulents here in New South Wales. So basically, this was planted like a week ago. Never pa po iyang nadiligan. Kasi I've been watered since. And that one was bought like same one week or 2 weeks ago from Barnes. Yes. So for those who are new to my channel, ako po ay isang Pilipina. I am a Filipina who lives or currently here in New South Wales, Australia. Dito po sa aking Aussie husband. Yes po. There you go. I hope you are enjoying the view. Sorry guys, I just woke up like a few minutes ago. And it's Sunday here in Sydney. And I'm wanting to make a vlog to upload my YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying the view po. There you go. And here's the one that I recently hospitalized, operated, I should say. Yan po ang aking Pachyphytum glutinicole. Yeah, used to be one stem. They stayed in one pot. And suddenly, the stem appearing to be rotten, so I decided to dissect them and separated them one each pot. And this one, they are the fallen leaves or rosettes from that. And then again, I'm trying to propagate. So this is like 1 week old, 1 week or 2 weeks there. There's one there that's trying to sprout now. I did not water them as well. And yes guys, do you see that? Flowering. When I bought this one, it's already been flowering. So I'm still undecided if I will cut the flowers. Those 2 flowers. Undecided if I will cut it or not. So for the meantime, I will leave it as it is. So yes guys. Napakaganda po ng klima ngayon dito sa amin. Look at that. Clear blue skies with sunshine. Magpapaaraw po ako ngayon guys. I will do my routinal daily walk. It's been a while na di pa ako nakakapag walking. So yes, I'll be sharing with you guys. This is my favorite. Yeah, do you see that? Okay, that's the name. Just put it up here. Ganyan na lang. It's para mas nababasa po siya. So, yan po si Blue guys. Pachyphytum itong blue guys. You know, pag po nasisinagan siya ng araw dito, I'm trying to avoid to touch it para po hindi masira yung farina. There you go. And this one, I got it from my sister-in-law. We went there in Newcastle last time. And then it was already hanging there on the floor. So I pulled it out from the pot. And then I asked my sister, can I just have it? And she said yes. There's no way she'd say no because I'm already handling it. I put it out already. So yes, that's the another glutinicole from the Pachyphytum pot that I operated or hospitalized last time. Ayan na po siya. So, getting sturdy, I should say. Still not watering them yet. And this one, I think this is a copper spoon. They used to be here on this side. Ano, there was an evident clouds on air. Like an airy roots, I should say, like plenty of roots, but there's no soil. So I decided to pull out those specific plants from this side to give a room for the other succulent to grow healthier. Like this one, oh, it's so pretty. And this one, I do believe this is Purple Delight. This one, and then this one I'm not sure, maybe Mrs. Richards, but for sure this is a jade, either Carly jade or this is a jade, but this is pinkish. And this one ang ganda-ganda, oh guys. So when I bought this plant, they look similar. If you will notice, they look pretty similar. So this one, when I bought this plant in Ladenham, it has 3 stems, and this one was part of that. So it fell out, so I decided to take it out from the mother stem. I'll try to give you, did you see that, guys? Yan, dun po siya dati. So, nabali. So I planted it here separately, hoping it will stay healthier and grow healthier as well. So I just noticed now they look similar. Am I correct, guys? Ayan. Ayan. What's interesting here in New South Wales is, or maybe whole Australia, ang pinkish ng mga succulents, guys. I had plenty of succulents back home in the Philippines. My YouTube channel started with a niche about succulents and plants, and then I have plenty of varieties collected already, but nothing came out like this po. So it's like they woke up like this. So beautiful. So yeah, at the bottom there's this as well. I'm not sure if they're about the same. Let's try to compare, guys. So this is the one on the top, upper part, and then the one at the bottom. Do you think, guys, they're about similar? I'm not sure. So yes, and then I replanted this today, not to separate pot. Correct me if I'm wrong. This used to be from that, so I do believe this is a tiger jaw. I'm not sure because I used to have one of these in Bataan. And then this one, copper spoon, they call it copper spoon. And then that one, flapjack. Yan po. Oh, pink na pink, diba, guys? Oh, saan ka pa dyan? Tapos yung katabi niya, parang si Adolphe. This one looks like Adolphe. And that one, guys, I forgot. I have another beautiful succulents here that I bought. This is a separate pot. So, yan. So pretty, right? I'm not sure if that is Opalina. Looks like. Ang ganda niya, guys. Super, super beautiful. And syempre, my favorite, Bull Highs. And this one I bought in Bunnings. So let me just have you give you the tag. Chiveria X, Lady Brave, whatever they call it. I don't know why there's an X. Maybe this is a crossbreed because I don't. Hindi ko alam yung ganung name back in Philippines. So, one good thing about buying plants or succulents in Bunnings, they have a specific name tag for each pot. So this is the first time I bought succulent in Bunnings, guys. Yeah. So all of these local shops, like we went somewhere and then along the road I saw a succulent garden. I bought this. This is one of my most expensive. Oh, no, this is the most expensive. This is $42, $45. But it has like 27 varieties in it. So the Aurora, banana, I don't know. And this one looks like Pudgy. And that one at the back, I don't know, Adolphi. And that one is Sidum George, maybe. And this is Jelly Bean or Sidum Aurora. And this one is, I'm not sure if it is Chroma. And at the bottom, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, I'm not sure what it is. You don't need to correct me anyway. I didn't know the name or ID. Tapos ito, parang pampaano na lang. Siyempre, this one is Jade Lac. Jade. Yeah. And there's an aloe here. That one. So pretty. Okay. I guess so much for this, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Yeah, Pinayan Australia po. Thank you for watching my succulent update for today. Have a great day, everyone. See you on my next vlog and stay safe. I know maulan po sa Pinas ngayon. It's been a while. I was in the Philippines last month, and mind you guys, I stayed there 11 days, and then every day umuulan. So wala lang, stay lang sa bahay. And then, I think more than a month na pong ulan ng ulan sa Pinas. Ang dami na pong baha. Praying that you will have a sunnier day coming. Let's pray for it po. And hoping you will have a better or nicer weather. Weeks ahead, days ahead. And bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, my video for today, and stay safe, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.